Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will unbox review 20.8 Tesla style screen special head units for Universal. It's Android 9 Pie system, PX6 chip, RAM 4GB, ROM 32GB. It's DSP amplifier. Okay, let me unbox. Okay, you can check this screen. Here, 0.8-inch IPS touch screen. This head unit and this harness. Okay, let me show harness set first. It just comes with the ISO harness. Okay, you can check this connector, this ISO harness. And then we check this power and the speaker. And this brake wire do not need to connect. This GND wire. And this K1, K2 and GND wire for steering wheel control. This is reserve camera. This MP wire, AMP 12 voltage. Okay. And the head unit will disconnect to back head unit. And there are two USB cable. This external microphone. Okay. This is external microphone. And this GPS antenna. This screw. Okay. This is camera in. Okay, and this audio cable, it's subwoofer, and the front and the rear, left and right. Okay, this AUX input, left and right. This video input. This does not support video out. Okay, let me show. Head unit. Okay, this is drum agent, and you can check this. This is connect combo to screen, and built-in IST. This USB port. Okay, this AUX factory AUX port. Okay, this is AUX. You can check this built-in microphone. Okay, this USB IST. This left side and this right side. This wire diagram. Okay, you can check this GPS antenna. This comes with GPS antenna. This power is fused. This connectors, this Wi-Fi antenna, this radio antenna. Okay. Let me show screw. And you can check this front panel. And this LAN cable to connect head unit. Please notice this. You can check this. There is this. So please connect with right, and this screw panel can be adjusted. You can check this, adjust the left and right more tight. And this 4 screw. Okay, let me connect. Okay, please make sure it's tight. Okay, you can check this and fix with screw. You can check this screw. Okay. This screwdriver. Because there's screw. Okay, make sure tight. You can check. There's screw and there's screw, two screw to fix screw panel. Okay. Let me find someone. Okay, let me connect power cable. I'm back. Okay, it's show logo and the start screw. And then let me adjust the screw panel. You can adjust the screen every view. It's very tight, and okay, this is started. Let me check. Okay. Let me show it. You can adjust any view. And this Tesla screen. You can check this and up. This Tesla screen. Okay. Okay. You can check. Okay, let me check. This music and this home. You can back the home. This balance and music. This radio and music, Bluetooth, movie. And Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Z-Link app, Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. It's built in Z-Link app, Android Auto and CarPlay. It's built in Google Maps Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Let me check the settings. Okay, this is settings. You can check this GPS, date and time, language, dimmer, and the user setting, split screen, volume, parking, touch time, ACC speed, time, reset, and other settings. System info, you can check Android 9 Pie system. It's PX6, RAM 4GB, RAM 64GB. Reset install. Stereo controls, you can set it, touch key. And radio. More settings you can check. It's built-in Wi-Fi. And storage, you can check 64GB, total 64GB. This back button, and maybe check the tablet. You can check RK399 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, now we're back to home. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. And you can open the amplifier. This DSP amplifier, built-in DSP, is balance and EQ, strong bass. You can adjust. This bass is sound field. You can adjust this sound preset and filter. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.